today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a drop-down menu in Squarespace. So we're going to click on Pages, and you'll see here I've created 3 mock-up pages, Service 1, 2, and 3. And to tidy up this navigation, we're going to nest those under a drop-down that says Work With Me. So we're going to click on this plus icon next to Main Navigation, scroll down to Folder, we'll name our folder Work With Me, and then all I'm going to do is drag these pages in. And you'll see now if we scroll over Work With Me, we can see that drop-down menu appear. And you can add your blog in here, you can add links in here. The only thing you can't do is you can't add another folder within a folder. So we can't do 2-tier drop-downs. That's something that's not available with Squarespace unless you are using custom code, which can get a little bit complicated. But if you would like that tutorial, let me know in the comments below and I'll be happy to create that for you. But this is how you can create simple drop-down menus in Squarespace. Hey, if you like this video, there's a good chance you'll also like this one.